whistles at the circus tent, colors flying high. Guess which animal rolls in first, coming from the sky? Look who's tall in a red car, driving with a grin. Giraffe is here to stretch up high. Let's all join in. Ellie rides a peanut car, bouncing down the lane. Let's all trumpet ha-woo, ha-woo, again and again. Nero roars in bold and proud in his yellow ride. Can you give a mighty roar from deep inside? Zooming past in stripes of blue and green so bright. Zippy the zebra loves to race, oh what a sight. Circle up, the gang is here, the circus fun won't stop. Zippy the zebra loves to race, oh what a sight. Circle up, the gang is here, the circus fun won't stop. Say their names and spin around, then do a little hop. Marvin's juggling bananas, 1, 2, 3 and more. Count them all and clap your hands, bananas hit the floor. Sally slides on icy wheels with rainbow balls so neat. Let's balance like the circus star, on hands or on your feet. Henry on a bubble car, now walking up so slow. Shout, you can do it, Henry! Go, go, go! Rainbow cars spin all around, a dazzling wheel of fun. Which animal was your favorite? Choose your number 1. A mystery cart is rolling up, who could it be? A brand new friend for you and me, just wait.